Electric cars were first introduced on Samsu at the beginning of the project. While initial enthusiasm was high, technical problems caused the island to discontinue their use. New technology for electric buses is the next prospect for the island.
The money that we currently pay mid-traffic and perhaps use some of the surplus finance from our wind turbines to pay for such a service. And one of the ideas that we have juggled is providing free transportation, because managing tickets and so on, it's costly, and if we don't have many regular customers, it simply can't pay itself to have a ticket system. So free electrical transportation.